Welcome to 1 crore projects. Today we will discuss about the project title is house price prediction using machine learning. In that project is based on the machine learning project, and we have to use to implement the Flask framework. The Flask framework is a micro framework to Python. So that one we have to use this. This is our project home page. Then we have to see the login and register page. Then I just click the register button. Here we can create our credentials, like user credentials. Like here we have 4 input fields like username, email, password, and repeat your password. Already you have the account, you can directly go to the login page. So just already I have a credentials, so I just go to login page. This is our login page. We have a massive UI in this application. Like I just give my credentials, like username and password. This is our user dashboard. Like user can upload our data set, like our specific data set. But the data set is having these columns like area, square feet, etc. etc. Okay. So left side we can see the sidebar. That one is a prediction button. Like it will give house price predictor. Then we can see some of buttons like sales price comparison, average sales, and bathroom counts, then build type. So we have to now I have to click this link. It will give some graphs. So that one is based on the data set, like this data set. If you upload the new data set, you can get the output like this. So that one is under the Plotly. Like Plotly is a map looking like Matplotlib. The Matplotlib is basically used for visualize to the data. Okay. So you can see the data, then average sales. We can create a multiple type of analysis graphs using Plotly. Then we can see bathroom counts, like based on city. Okay. Then a build type. Here we can see like a 3D graph. Like that one is available in Plotly, so we can use that one. Like we can see the 3D plot. Okay. Then I just go the prediction page. I just give it my input like Anna Nagar, 10 square feet is 2000. Like I just give some of data like 2 and bathroom will 3, 2, some of data. Then I just click the type like commercial. Then once you click the predict button, the output will show this one, like house prices, like sum of amounts. Then again I just give the another values like KK Nagar 3000, the input field is based on data set. The data set columns were the inputs. Then I just click the build type in other. Then click the predict button. It will give some result like house price. Okay. So this one is a graph that is a dynamical graph. So you can click to modify in that graph. Okay. So I just click log out. then our project is automatically